First off, Jade, I am a well-kept motherfucker, as you know, and as you have sown so. So as you and Casey, as my sows is Adolf Hitler, and the first to die by onslaughtering an involuntary vehicle, press, from foreign country, forced legislation, and the property of, and an immigrant's on. I will rip that bong home again of Jade So to emerge from death, for we were dumped and raped by child molesters, and I was just freshly walked off the property by my own spirit. And that is a property of your purchase, family bloodline, from the first sow of Adolf Hitler, a foreign democracy, where not an English engine was able to ride down the street primitively, as in a left-driven Master Sereno, klhulksby, Germany engine, in the odd slaughter. So why was I dumped and raped by a bunch of child molesters on your property just now? And I wake up to this. And I'll ask that you emerge immediately in hurting God with buddy an explanation and a cheeseburger. In hurting God, I rip Jade So from the grave, Yu-Gi-Oh style.